Have you noticed that mornings don't feel the same anymore? The strength that once greeted you is weaker, slower, sometimes even gone. You might blame age or think testosterone is the issue. But deep inside, you wonder, is this the end of my vitality as a man? The good news? It doesn't have to be. And no, I'm not talking about pills, powders, or quick fixes. The solution could be as simple as what's on your plate. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, a urologist with over 25 years of experience helping men over 60 reclaim their health and confidence. And today, I'll show you how a way of eating, practiced for generations, the Mediterranean diet, can restore blood flow, protect your heart, and revive your mornings naturally. Here's a surprising fact. Erections are not primarily about testosterone. They're about circulation. If blood isn't flowing well through your arteries, it won't flow where you need it most. Studies show men who follow the Mediterranean diet cut their risk of erectile dysfunction by nearly 40%. Think of it like garden hoses. When they're flexible and clean, water flows easily to the farthest corner. When they stiffen and clog, pressure drops, and nothing reaches where it's needed. Your arteries work the same way. And the best part? You don't have to move to Italy or Greece to benefit. You can apply a simple golden formula at home, starting tonight. The reward up front, golden ratio 50:5. So let's start with what you came here for. The golden ratio of the Mediterranean plate. It's 50-25-25. 50% of your plate should be plants, vegetables, salads, beans, whole grains, fruits. 25% should be lean protein, mainly fish or poultry. 25% should be healthy fats and extras, olive oil, nuts, seeds, or even avocado. That's it. Half your plate is color and fiber, 1/4 is clean protein, and 1/4 is healthy fats. Simple, memorable, and proven to keep your arteries elastic. This ratio floods your body with antioxidants, omega-3 fats, and natural nitric oxide, the trifecta for healthy circulation. When you eat this way consistently, you don't just lower cholesterol and blood pressure, you actively rejuvenate your blood vessels. And when your arteries feel young, your mornings feel young too. So why does this simple plate work so well? Let's break it down. Every erection is a circulation event. When arteries open and blood surges in, your manhood responds. If arteries are stiff, clogged, or inflamed, the flow is weak, and so is your performance. That's why doctors call the penis the barometer of vascular health. Mediterranean foods directly support this process. Omega-3 fats in fish calm inflammation. Olive oil keeps vessels flexible. Leafy greens and citrus fruits boost nitric oxide, which relaxes arteries so blood can surge in freely. Antioxidants from berries, tomatoes, and nuts protect the delicate inner lining of your vessels, the endothelium from damage. One landmark Italian study proved it. Men who adopted the Mediterranean pattern reported stronger erections and better morning vitality than those on a Western diet. In other words, what you eat today predicts how you wake up tomorrow. So what ages your arteries in the first place? It's not just years passing. It's habits. Too much processed meat, fried oils, and sugary drinks inflame your arteries. Sitting for hours without movement stiffens them like unused rubber bands. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, tightening your vessels even more. Smoking burns the delicate lining, while sleepless nights rob your body of its natural repair time. Each of these habits is like pouring cement into pipes that were designed to stay flexible. Over time, your vessels feel decades older than you are, and the very first place you notice it is in your mornings. This is why the Mediterranean lifestyle is so powerful. It doesn't just prevent damage, it actively helps reverse it. Swap fried oils for olive oil, and you calm the inflammation inside your arteries. Replace red meat with fish twice a week, and you feed your vessels omega-3s that make them supple again. Trade sugary snacks for fruits and nuts, and you flood your system with antioxidants that heal microscopic tears in vessel walls. Add beans and whole grains, and you stabilize blood sugar, protecting your arteries from further stress. Every swap is like peeling years off your arteries. Slowly, your blood flows more freely, Your heart feels lighter. And yes, your manhood begins to feel alive again. The lesson is simple. Your vitality is not lost because of age. It's lost when your arteries grow old before you do. Protect them, and you protect your manhood. Ignore them, and you feel the loss every single morning, The Mediterranean plate, half plants, a quarter protein, a quarter healthy fats, is more than a diet. It's a lifeline for circulation, confidence, and longevity. So here's my challenge for the next 7 days. Build at least one meal a day using the 50-25-25 formula. Notice how your energy changes, how your mornings begin to feel different. If this video spoke to you, share it with a friend over 60 who may be struggling in silence. And don't forget to subscribe. In my next video, I'll reveal a simple morning ritual that can supercharge circulation even further. And remember, this video is for education only. It's not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your diet or lifestyle. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, reminding you, protect your arteries and you protect your manhood.